Good morning. Today we are going to learn chapter 7, the invention of Vita Wonk. In this lesson we learn in before time the Mr. Charlie and Mr. Wonka invented something to people elder to younger and also the younger to older. Then here both things younger and older people make and they find the new invention. Mr. Willy Wonka is and dash Mr. Willy Wonka is inventor. Wonka Vita make a people dash. So Wonka Vita is people make people younger. Number third, you say here, Mr. Wonka want to invent a new things which will make a people older. In this blank says the first the people became that younger and here they became older. तो पहले उनकी जो इवेंट थी वो शायद वैसी होगी, वो पीपल को क्या बनाती होगी, मीन्स माइनस ईयर करती होगी और अभी की जो है वो ऑल्डर बनाती होगी. नंबर 4, कैन एनी वंस एज बी अ माइनस नंबर? व्हाट डज द माइनस 87 मीन्स? So yes, one's age can be a minus number 87. It means that he would have to wait 87 before he can be born again. मीन्स वो माइनस कर देता था, उसकी बॉर्न से जो एज थी उससे माइनस कर देता था. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, Mr. Wonka began to asking himself two questions. What are they? Means Mr. Wonka always asking the two questions himself. What to find the new searching in his life? So these questions are: first, what is the oldest things in the world? First, what is the first question? The first question is what is the oldest living things in the world, only living things in the world. Second, what live longer than anything else? और वैसी कौन सी चीज़ें हैं जो सबसे ज़्यादा लॉन्ग टाइम दूसरी चीज़ों से लिविंग बनती थी, मीन्स जिंदा रही थी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, what tree does the Wonka mentioned? Which tree does say live the longest? Friends, in that current time, we call means present time, we call that long living tree is banyan tree in our country. So many other trees are living, but we know the banyan tree is long living in India and so neighbor countries. But in these lessons, Mr. Wonka mentioned here that Douglas fir, oak, and cedar tree, according to the Bristol corn pine live a longest tree. Means only the mention here. You see here in this questions, Mr. Wonka mentioned a Douglas fir. Means name of the tree है Douglas fir, oak, and cedar tree. According to him means Mr. Wonka. The Bristol corn pine live a longest tree. Which tree is the longest living? So the Bristol corn pine tree is longest living tree. Question number 7, how long does the tree live? Where can you find it? वो ट्री कितने टाइम तक जिंदा रहती है, लिविंग रहती है, और वेयर वी कैन फाइंड दिस ट्री? ब्रिस्टल कॉर्न पाइन ट्री कैन लिव फॉर मोर देन 1000 years. For the age of that pine tree, Bristol corn pine tree, so it is the age of the Bristol corn pine tree is 4,000 years, not only 4,000 years, the living tree. It is found on the slope of whether the peak in Nevada, USA. Where we founded this tree द पीक इन नेवडा यूएसए, नेवडा में जो माउंटेन है उसकी पीक पे, चोटी पे देखने के मिलते हैं, वो कहाँ है? तो इन यूएसए। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, we say here, why does the Mr. Wonka collect item from the oldest things? Do you think this is the right way to begin his invention? Friends, why does the Wonka collect item from the oldest things? Means they are founded the all collect item in that world. Do you think this is the right way to begin his invention? तो क्या हम सोच सकते हैं कि वो उनका जो वे था वो राइट था? तो हियर मिस्टर वोंका कलेक्टेड आइटम फ्रॉम ऑल द ओल्डेस्ट थिंग्स टू इन्वेंट अ न्यू मेडिसिन। उन्हें क्या करना था? एक न्यू मेडिसिन फाइंड करनी थी। सो वो क्या कर रहे थे? वो ओल्डेस्ट थिंग्स फाइंड कर रहे थे। मिस्टर वोंका कलेक्ट आइटम फ्रॉम ऑल द ओल्डेस्ट थिंग्स to invent a new medicines that would make a young old। क्या करते थे? they make a young old, यंग हो जाए उसे ओल्ड बना सकना था, मीन्स प्लस करनी थी, एज को प्लस बढ़ा देनी थी। आई डोंट थिंक दिस इज द राइट वे द इन्वेंशन समथिंग न्यू, बट इट इज मैनी पीपल से दैट वंस इट इज नॉट राइट वे बट इट इज़ द रॉन्ग वे। क्या हम वो सारी पुरानी चीज़ें इकट्ठा कर कर उसमें से कोई मेडिसिन बना दें, मीन्स लॉन्गर लिविंग, क्या हो उसकी एज बढ़ सकती है? इट इज़ नॉट श्योर फ्रेंड्स। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, what happened to the volunteers whose slavers for the drop of the new invention? What is the name of the inventions? After taking 4 drops of the new medicines, only you take up 4 drops of the new medicines, what is the change in your life? So the volunteers begins the drinking, his hair started dropping off। क्या हो जाता था? तो उनके जो हेयर थे वो यहाँ पे थोड़ी देर के लिए क्या हो जाते थे? गिर जाते थे। आफ्टर टेकिंग 4 ड्रॉप्स ऑफ द न्यू मेडिसिन, व्हेन यू टेक द न्यू मेडिसिन एनी चेंज इन योर बॉडी, बट हियर द ऑथर सेड द आफ्टर टेकिंग 4 ड्रॉप्स ऑफ द न्यू मेडिसिन द वॉलंटियर बिगेन द wrinkling his hair। बिगिन्स विकलिंग, विकलिंग मीन्स योर तुम्हारी जो स्किन थी वो क्या हो जाती है? ओल्ड हो जाती है, लचकने लगती है। जैसे से 80 मीन्स अबाउट 80 years persons his skin like to you। हेयर स्टार्टेड ड्रॉपिंग ऑफ, और हेयर क्या थे? सर में थे जो हेयर थे वो सारे हेयर गिरने लगते थे। his teeth starting falling out, and also this person take this medicine, his teeth is falling। he suddenly became an old man at the 75। means suddenly the man became about more than 75 ईयर के बाद होता था। द नेम ऑफ द इन्वेंशन इज द विटा वॉन्का, और उसको क्या कहते थे? विटा वॉन्क उसकी इन्वेंशन थे वो। मीन्स फ्रेंड्स, आफ्टर टेकिंग द 4 ड्रॉप्स ऑफ अ न्यू मेडिसिन, व्हेन यू टेक द न्यू मेडिसिन द वॉलंटियर बिगेन द wrinkling, मीन्स बुढ़ा बन जाता उसकी स्किन फर्स्ट, आफ्टर फॉलिंग द हेयर्स, after falling the teeth, and suddenly he became the old person, means like as a 75 years old person। the name of the invention, और उसकी नेम थी द विटा वॉन्क। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, you say here question number 10, why did Mr. Wonka squeeze his brain? तो मिस्टर वॉन्का squeezed his brain to search for a new medicines। Always Mr. Wonka give the pressure on his mind and we find that new inventions। Also we are finding new searchings, but Mr. Wonka permanently finding new searchings। Why did Mr. Wonka roll up his sleeves? तो मिस्टर वॉनका rolled up his sleeves to create another edge of defining drugs. और वो क्या करना चाहते थे, वो दूसरी ऐसी चीज़ फाइंड करना चाहते थे, दे आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर एंड दे आर डिफाइंग द ड्रग्स. वो ऐसे ड्रग हैं. नाउ फ्रेंड्स, यू सी इन द सेम लेसन पोइम ऑफ अस, पोइम द डेड and the cat and the tree. This poem is written by Kit Wright. This poem is written by Kit Wright. Now you see the question answers. Answer the following questions. The first number question is, why was the dad sure he would not fall? Means the poet, what the understands, the poet understands the dad considered himself to adapt the climbers. Means पहले वो क्या थे, climber थे. So he thought that he would be quite an easy, वो क्या समझते, quite an easy job to climb a tree. He called this work so as easy as winking or a child's play. Now, why was the dad sure there would not fall? The dad considered himself to adapt the climbers. What they understand, they adapt that climbers. So he thought that, और वो समझते थे, he would be a quite an easy job to climb a tree. It is very easy to climb a tree. Means here that poet understand that climbing is very easy for himself. Question number 2. Which praise, now question number 2, which praise in this poem express the dad's self-confidence the best? Means which line is a praise in this poem to express the dad's best confidence? A climber like me, means उसने जितना climbing करने वाला no any other persons. So he speak the sentence, a climber like me best express dad's self-confidence. Question number 3. Describe plan A and its the consequence. Means plan A was to us use a ladder or climb up the tree. It slipped and the plant fell. Means how did the plan A fell? So we say here the plan A was to use a ladder or climb up the tree. Means the poet understands I use the ladder and climbing on the tree, but here it is slipped, means the ladder is slipped and the plan A fell. Now plan C was a success. What went wrong then? So here plan C was a success and the cat came down. Plan C is success, means plan C was success and the cat came down, but the dad got struck up the tree. Means interchange their place. Means dad and Miss poet and the cat both are changed their place in plan C. Now question number 5. The cat was very happy to be on the ground. Pick out the phrase used to express this idea. Friends, in these questions the cat is very happy and Also, on the ground, pick out the phrase used to express these ideas, and also we use these ideas. Answer: the phrase pleased as a punch show the cat's happiness, because when the cat on the ground, the cat is very happy because he was pleased as a punch. Show the cat's happiness. Now, question number 6. Describe the cat and the dead situation in the beginning and at the end of the poem. In this poem, the starting, how do fill the cat, and how at the end of the poem, what fill that cat. In the beginning of the poem, the cat was stuck up the tree. क्या करें? Stuck up the tree, वहाँ फंस गई थी. And the dad was on the ground. The opposition. But at the end of the situation was exactly opposite. Exactly opposite means the cat is on the ground and that poet is on the stalk of the tree. Now, question number 7. Why and when did Dad say each of the following? So here you said fall, never mind, funny joke, and rubbish. There 4 words. Why and when did Dad say each of the following? Means कब उन्होंने और कब और क्यों बोले थे ये word. The dad said that first A means fall. When the first time the mother wanted him to be the careful while climbing the ladder. कब बोला था उन्होंने? तो when the mother said, जब मदर ने बताया था, उनकी वाइफ मिस wanted him to careful while climbing the ladders. Second B, never mind. Right after his first fall, जब first time the poet is falling down, then he spoke the words never mind, and say funny joke. When the mom warned him use second time to be careful lest his might fall. When the first time the poet is falling the ground, then the second time they are tried, he is tried then that now, sorry friends, I repeat. See, funny joke. When the mom warned him for the second time, he to be careful lest he might fall. When the mothers gave the suggest him, advise him, then he speak the word never mind. Funny joke. Now D, rubbish. When that rubbish word in this poem, the rubbish after he fall down from the branch means in this poem the poet tried to jump and catch up the branch, but the branch is broken and he fall on the ground. Then the poet speak the word rubbish. Now question number 8. Why is mom afraid? Mom means mother. So mom is afraid as a dad has already fallen 2 times. Means mother was afraid here because she was afraid. Means poet was already fallen 2 times. पोइट जो थे वो 2 टाइम पहले से वो नीचे गिर गए थे, इसीलिए वो बहुत भयभीत थे, घबरा गए थे, अफ्रेड हो गए थे. सो फ्रेंड्स, you learn and oral these lessons. I hope you understand this question answer and also read these question answers. Thank you.